Hey guys, John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. I wanted to get this out to you right away. Just got this in the mail today. So this is regarding the security update. Just let you guys read it. But basically, they're going to update something called the radio frequency hub to disallow people from just reprogramming keys on your car. So they're probably putting some kind of encryption or some kind of update. And I think it means they're going to reprogram your key. So if you get this done, probably want to bring both of your key fobs to the dealership. And they're going to update this thing. So I don't know how well this is. I'm just holding the camera over this text, so hopefully you guys can read this. They said it takes about 30 minutes. I think it's worthwhile. I just left a voicemail, my dealer, to get it done. All right, that's it. Later.